Hey there, Nutrition Club members. Your culinary nutritionist Michelle here with a few fun facts about mulling spices. Those warm spices we use this time of year to season our hot beverages and keep us cozy. Let's take a closer look. Each of these spices brings its own superpowers to the mix. Antioxidants help increase circulation and blood flow, which helps reduce blood pressure. Cardamom, ginger, and allspice in particular can help reduce gas and bloating by helping to move food through your digestive tract. Peppercorn helps increase good gut bacteria. These spices are also great for liver, bone, and brain health and blood glucose control. Plus, they're anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, which means they help fight infections. Not to mention, they lend so much flavor without added sugar or sodium. So this winter, try combining a few of these spices and infuse them into a nice cozy cup of tea.